Check it out, these amazing quality olive logs. We're going to cut it. Few 100 years old olive. If you guys looking for olive, amazing logs, call us. Burr, nice olive burr right there. We have amazing olive burr right there. If you guys looking to get some amazing quality olive, give us a call. We're going to cut it next week. So huge ones. These are huge. Plenty of olive tree. The farmer decided to put it down. So they're hundreds of years old. We're going to cut them into 4/4, 8/4 lumber. Check it out, that guy. Amazing. Amazing, amazing pieces, guys. Spectacular olive. So the hugest, biggest ones. Yeah. Plenty of olive. A lot of olive. We're going to cut a lot of olives right now. If you guys still looking to get amazing quality olive, give us a call. California Exotic Hardwoods and California Luthier Supplies. Look at this guy, huge one. Look at this. A lot of amazing burr right there. Huge one. Check it out. If you guys looking to get some olive, give us a call. California Exotic Hardwoods. There are a few hundred pieces here, guys. Difficult to get. Spectacular pieces. Few hundred olive trees are down. Yep, here you go.